How to add and edit your Google Chrome homepage screen. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add or edit your Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. So let's get started. First thing what you can do is you can see there is an option called add shortcut. So let me show you an example, that is when you tap on this customize Chrome, to simply click on this. So once you scroll down, and you can see there is two options. So first option, what it does is it basically helps you or lets you add your own customized shortcuts. But when you try to click on this most visited sites, it will automatically show you the most visited sites which you have been using on this browser. So you just have to select my shortcuts for now. To simply add your own customized shortcuts, you can simply tap on this add shortcut and simply type in the name of that particular website. So let me give an example. Let's say instagram.com, Instagram, and you just have to provide the URL, that is www.instagram.com. So you just have to make sure you have provided corrected URL and simply click on done, and just like that your Instagram should be opened just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.